Chris, what are you doing? Cleaning the cobwebs off a backhoe extension. Okay. What about it, everybody? Welcome back to Knotty Pine Sawmill. Today is cleanup day for the saw shed. We got about a month's worth of sawdust. Got our main man Chris, part of the Knotty Pine family. He brings his farm tractor over here. It fits underneath the saw shed perfectly, and he scoops it out, and I don't have to shovel nowhere near the sawdust. We get asked all the time, what are some of the downfalls of owning one of these sawmills? And I always say it's the byproducts, whether it's the slabs or the sawdust. You have to find a place to put all the sawdust. You have to find a place to put the slabs. You have to find a use for them, or you have to find somebody that'll take them. You have to burn them. You have to do something with it. It's always going to be there, and there's no way around it. So what you're about to see is a month's worth. Now I cut every single day. Every day, Monday through Saturday, I usually cut at least 4 hours a day, if not 6 or 8. So just take this into account if you're thinking about purchasing one of these mills. Within a month, I've got about a month and a half of slabs sitting back here right now, and I've probably got 8 dump truck loads of pine slabs. You know, pine, sweet gum, oak, different types of slabs. So just take that into account. But you'll see today just how much one of these portable sawmills actually, how much it actually accumulates over the course of just a month. Now that's cutting every day, but this is a month's worth of cutting. So we appreciate y'all tuning in. Like and subscribe, y'all. Appreciate you. there it is. So that's a month's worth of sawdust come off the machine. So if you was wondering how much sawdust it produces, there you have it. So thank God for good friends and equipment. That's all I know. Yes, we could set some type of blower system up or something like that, but one time a month takes, I think it's been like 18 minutes. It's done. So I'd rather just do that than run all kinds of tubes and stuff and be done with that. And I don't have any power ran down here to the sawmill shed anyhow. So we appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you again next time.